Kaka. Can you sing?
Yeah.
Come on, sing. Can you sing like Ariel?
Mermaid.
Say hi, mermaid.
Hi, mermaid. I'm pretty mermaid.
She's a pretty mermaid. Yeah.
Buttons.
You're going to push the button? Let's see. Say hello.
Love it. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, you do?
Biscuit.
You want Mommy to push the button?
Biscuit.
Yeah, she is. She's sleeping. Want Mommy to push the button?
Oh, get Sebastian to go with me.
Where's Sebastian?
Sebastian.
Where is he? Is he singing? Can he sing? He's sleeping? Yeah. Is Ariel sleeping?
No.
No! What's this?
That's Ariel.
Yeah, chocolate milk. Does Ariel want some chocolate milk? Can Kaka have some chocolate milk? Oh. Good job.
Mommy.
You want Mommy to have some? Thank you.
No, sir. Hello? Are you still there? Daddy.
You want Daddy to have some too? Go take it to Daddy.